Yes, I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. You can start with the design now. Okay, so take the depth of the foundation which you are getting as per the formula. Yes, all of you start solving. Give me the values. Okay, tell me what is this depth of the foundation you are getting. Okay, 0.77 you are getting now. So let us take 1 meter, at least minimum 1 meter we should keep. So take that as 1 meter and check. Okay, 1 meter low and then proceed. Okay, so what is the total height you're getting now? Capital H. So this will be 4.5, right? 3.5 plus ये 1 हो जाएगा तो 4.5. Then find out B. ठीक है, B and D will remain the same. ठीक है, only H will change and depth of the slab will also change. ठीक है, depth of the slab कितना हो जाएगा 4.5. ठीक है, so 3.5 plus 1 4.5 divided by 12. ठीक है, so let us keep this depth same 475 ही रखो इसको, या फिर if you want to change you can change also. 0.375 आ रहा है तो अप्रोक्सीमेट करके 400 also you can keep, otherwise 450 also you can keep, depends on you. ठीक है, 375 आ रहा है, so you can take it as 400 mm also, no problem.
सर बी भी चेंज होगा ना?
हाँ, बी भी चेंज होगा 2.5H to 0.6H. तो ये कितना आ रहा है रेंज 0.6H?
2.7.
हाँ ठीक है, चलेगा मैक्सिमम 2.7 आ रहा है.
यस.
ओके, सो यू कैन टेक दैट एज 2.7 ऑल्सो, या फिर उसको 3 भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है, जो आ रहा है वही ले लो 2.7. इसको 2.7 ले लो, और जो डेप्थ आ रहा है वो 3.375 आ रहा है ना, तो उसको 400 ले लो, थोड़ा अप्रोक्सीमेट करके. नाउ लेट अस सी whether with these dimensions the wall is safe or not. All of you quickly give me the values. ठीक है, so B is 2.7 and this will also change. 2.7 by 3, 0.9. This will also change. ठीक है. So once you solve the problem on your own, ठीक है, so you will understand कि what values should be taken so that our stability analysis will be safe. ठीक है. देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि कितने हायर साइड पे लेना है तो हमारा चेक्स वगैरह सेफ आए. ठीक है. सो नाउ take the values whatever you are getting as per these equations, then you will understand how much we should approximate. ठीक है. तो ये भी जो वैल्यू आ रहा है वही ले सकते हो. डेप्थ अगर 0.375 आ रहा है सो टेक दैट वैल्यू. 0.375 भी ले लो, नो प्रॉब्लम. then you will understand next time when you will solve कि how much we should take the values और approximate कितना करना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो हाउ मच यू हैव टेकन दिस डेप्थ ऑफ द बेस स्लैब, एनीवन? इसको कितना कंसिडर किए? 400 लिया है. ठीक है. इसको 375 ही ले लो, जो एग्जैक्ट वैल्यूज आ रहे हैं उससे ही सॉल्व करेंगे. सो यू कैन टेक दिस एज 375 mm. देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टेम. ठीक है. सो दिस p, फाइंड आउट ph, एंड देन m, एंड देन फाइंड आउट द. ठीक है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस नाउ टेल मी थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टेम कितना आ रहा है. ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंगली इवन दीज वैल्यूज विल चेंज एंड देन वी विल चेक फॉर स्टेबिलिटी. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद में तो डिज़ाइन वी कैन डू. ठीक है. एनीवन गॉट दिस वैल्यू p? यस. 62.48. Rohit is saying 62.48, this value p. What about others? Okay, so now give me the value of the horizontal component ph. Okay, others just confirm these values. This is 62.48. So this 62.48 into cos 15 karo. Yes, give me the value. Itna time. 60.35. Okay, so this is 60.35. Next, give me the value of the bending moment. ठीक है. सो टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ द एच प्रॉपरली. हाँ, ये जो टोटल मिला है उसमें से डेप्थ ऑफ द स्लैब माइनस करो जितना तुमने कंसिडर किया है. 375 कंसिडर किया है ना, तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल गेट. आई होप others are also getting the same value. 82.98. Okay, Rohit is getting the value of M as 82.98. Okay, so now find out the depth, find out the factored moment, and give me the value of the depth which you're getting, effective depth. Yes, I hope everyone is solving. Please write the values in the chat box. Yeah, unless and until you solve the numericals along with me, there is no point in attending the lectures. Okay, small d effective depth, Devansh is getting as 219. Yes, what about others? Devansh is getting this value as 219. Okay, Rohit is getting this as 212. Okay, slight variation है Devansh 212.36. So considering effective cover, this will be 262 something. So 275. Perfect. So we will consider overall depth as 275 and effective depth will become 275 minus 50, 225. Okay. Yes. So consider these values 275 and 225. So now tell me how much you will keep here the triangular portion and ठीक है. So top में जाके reduce this to 150. तो जो भी इधर बचेगा, so this is 150, 275 minus 150, 125. So this portion will become 125. ठीक है. So let us keep this as 150 here. तो ये total 275 है, तो ये 150, तो remaining this will be 125. Is this clear everyone? Make that changes in the figure. Yes, others, are you solving, getting the values? Yes, Shorab ji, are you solving? Only two students have given the values, Rohit and Devansh. What about others? Yes, Ojas, are you solving? Okay, so I hope everyone got these values. Now let us go for the check for stability. Okay, so this is important. Do it carefully. Check for stability. ठीक है, so find out the weight. ठीक है, टाइप कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just mark in the figure. Find out the distance from the CG and find out the moment. ठीक है, I hope everyone has marked these regions in the figure. So this triangular region first, this second base slab third, this backfill fourth, this extra portion of the inclined backfill fifth, and this vertical component is the sixth. ठीक है, so draw this figure because यहाँ का जो base है this is different. Yes, anyone got these values? Yes, what is W1? This value, anyone? W1. Write the values in the chat box. ठीक है, जो first component है triangular of the stem. Okay, W1 6.45. Okay, so Rohit is getting this W1 as 6.45. What about others? Just confirm these values. Distance is 0.983 and moment is 6.34. Yes, what about others getting the same values? Okay, so W2, Rohit is getting this value as 15.46. Distance is 1.1 and moment is 17.01. Yes, others also just confirm these values right in the chat box. Well, you have to give me the answers. I don't have the answers for this. Okay, so all of you solve and give me the values. W3 25.3. Okay. W3 is 25.3. Distance is 1.35. This is 34.17. $34.17. Yes, I think you can solve this W4. So Rohit is getting this W4 as 113.2 and CG as 1.94 and this is 219. Okay, so with this actually we have completed the design of a cantilever retaining wall. So three types we have seen. There are three types in this. So we have seen the first type without any surcharge. The second type is with surcharge. Okay, and the third type is the inclined backfill. So we have done the inclined backfill. So surcharge, the retaining wall with when the surcharge is given to you. So even that is the same as we have seen this. The only difference is surcharge का जो height मैंने बताया था. So that extra height you have to consider in the pressure diagram. जो pressure diagram बनेगा उसमें extra height जो रहेगा this is HE that you have to calculate. HE तो वो HE कैसे मिलेगा? HE is given by that we have seen in the theory lecture. This is given by W upon gamma. ठीक है, W क्या है? W is the surcharge acting on the soil. ठीक है, तो अगर रिटेनिंग वॉल है ऐसा, ठीक है, सो दिस इज द बैकफिल और यहाँ पे तुमको अलग से सरचार्ज दिया रहेगा, एक्सटर्नल लोड ऑन द बैकफिल. सो दिस इज W. ओके, सो H एक्स्ट्रा, ये एक्सटर्नल हाइट कैसे मिलेगा? एक्स्ट्रा हाइट W अपॉन गामा. सो प्रेशर डायग्राम जो रहेगा तो उसका ऐसा बनेगा. ठीक है, ओके, सो द प्रेशर डायग्राम विल बी लाइक दिस. ठीक है, ये जो एक्स्ट्रा हाइट है HE कैलकुलेट करके ये हाइट बढ़ जाएगा बेसिकली. बाकी द रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोसीजर विल रिमेन द सेम. इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? दिस इज द सरचार्ज टाइप. एंड देन अगेन डायमेंशंस ऑफ द रिटेनिंग वॉल सिर्फ H चेंज हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज नोन एज कैपिटल H. ये जैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, सो लेट अस कंसीडर दिस कैपिटल H ओनली और इसको आई विल से HE. ओके, एडिशनल हाइट. सो दिस एडिशनल हाइट, ठीक है, तो ये जो एडिशनल हाइट है जब भी स्टेबिलिटी एनालिसिस में फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो दैट टाइम वी विल यूज दिस. ठीक है, सो व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट द थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टेम, व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट द थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टेम एट द जंक्शन P, तो वो टाइम पे हाइट कितना कंसीडर करेंगे? ये पॉइंट से वी कंसीडर द हाइट. तो ये जो हाइट है दिस प्लस HE वी विल कंसीडर टू फाइंड आउट द थिकनेस. इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? So that is the only difference when surcharge is given, and this is the inclined type. So in the next lecture, we will start with the design of counterfort retaining wall. Okay. So with this, we have completed the design of a cantilever retaining wall. In the next lecture, we will start with design of counterfort retaining wall. Okay. So in the next coming tutorial, I will give the assignment also for the retaining wall. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes or no? Whatever I explained right now. Okay. So you can solve this problem and in the next lecture we will discuss the values of this problem. Okay, so all of you complete this problem and then we will discuss the answers in the next session, and we will start with the design of counterfort retaining wall. Yes, definitely I will upload this PDF on the Moodle account, so you can refer this PDF. Okay, so last 5 minutes are remaining. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can end the session. You complete this numerical and give me the values in the next lecture. Okay. So I'll just stop the screen share. If anyone has any doubt, they can ask me. Otherwise, we can end this session. Okay, so please complete this numerical. The next lecture, I will check the answers. And then we will start with the design of counterfort retaining wall. Okay. Thank you, everyone.